So 2008, Cyclone Nargis hit Myanmar, leading to almost 140,000 deaths. And one of the places that was badly affected by the disaster was the Nagar glass factory. So we're going to go and hunt down, have a look in the broken glass jungle. So the factory was built in the 40s, and it was the first hand-blown glass factory in Myanmar. And then of course Nargis came along, led to the deaths of over 100,000 people, and the place was destroyed and never rebuilt. So as you can see, it was just ravaged by the cyclone. And you've got all of these beautiful pieces of glasswork just left strewn all over the area. Of course, Nargis was maybe one of the biggest and worst natural disasters to have hit or to have happened in Myanmar, full stop, on record. So there are the furnaces over there, still standing kind of. As you can see, just glass, broken glass everywhere. Hence the need for the ACGs. It's definitely a task for the ACGs. Kind of chimney structure. You might be wondering what's the score with the long sleeve shirt. I'll tell you what the score is. Mosquitoes here are maniacs. Gotta watch yourself. So I imagine a lot of businesses and homes were just left like this after the cyclone. Of course, it's 13 years ago now, so a lot has been rebuilt, but as you can see with this place, just didn't happen. The family now, they sell bits and bobs. You're welcome to come here, and if you find something, they'll polish it up, clean it up for you. You can buy it for a couple of bucks, and that's how they're surviving. So you should come and check this place out if you're ever in Yangon. Spend a couple of bucks, support people who lost everything, you know. Literally just glass all over the shop. Probably the last place you want to have a bit of a tumble, bit of a fall down. Yeah, you might want to avoid that. It's actually a pretty peaceful place. You're off away from the main roads. Butterflies all over the shop. It's all very colourful, hand blown. First hand blown glass factory in Myanmar, which is quite interesting. And you can dig through and find some little gems if you're into your glassware. There's a little tumbler. And it just goes on and on and on. So each one of these pieces are at least at least 13, 14 years old. Some probably a lot older. So yeah, Cyclone Nargis, a horrendous amount of destruction it caused and loss of life. Even trying to imagine 140,000 people perishing from one storm, it's pretty hard to get your head around, I think. Like I said, you can still find some nice little bits. Nice little vase there, if you're into vases. It's pretty nice. So yeah, wear good footwear if you want to check this place out. Because if you rock the old flip-flops, you're asking for a bit of a trip to the hospital, I reckon. No ashtray, no handmade ashtray, hand blown. I'm guessing this tree was uprooted by the force, the strength of the cyclone. Caused the storm surge up the Ayeyarwady River, and 40 miles upriver it just destroyed large parts of Ayeyarwady division. A lot of people living by the Ayeyarwady River, villages were wiped out. Yeah, a lot of death and destruction, and as you can see, still hasn't all been cleaned up, hasn't all been sorted out. People are still living in the ruins of it. People are still trying to eke out an existence where it happened. So yeah, pretty sad stuff. Yeah, I knew it. I knew I weren't alone. There's a dog keeping an eye on me. Trying to make sure I ain't nicking out. So yeah, of course, glass is made out of sand, which is pretty interesting. Honestly, the mosquitoes here are on a tip. They're on a mission. Want to take me out. It's got a bit of a Texas Chainsaw Massacre feel to it. You know how they got the generator running in the film? Yeah. I don't want Leatherface jumping out at me, do I really? So yeah. Thought I'd give you a quick look at the old glass jungle. A lot more content will be coming soon as the flights open up and I'm able to jump on a plane. Yeah. Way. Shut up.